So day 81, and today, weirdly, got up early this morning, and I think because the sun was streaming in through the windows, just felt a completely different energy vibe this morning. So we were up and out of bed and straight down, well, breakfast and the normal chit chat that Steve and I do, and then straight to business. And we just said, right, we'll have a couple of hours doing this, and then we'll go and have the rest of the day off, out and about, doing whatever. And it's been fab, because this morning I wanted to film a video on basically just saying to all the leads, and this is coming off the back of Dan's marketing mastery call last Tuesday. And I've not been managing to get on a few of his calls lately, so I do watch the old follow-up, the catch-ups. And he said about, he used to do a thing to his leads saying, let's chat. And that I've put some time aside for you. If you want to reach out, come and have a chat. So I thought, well, rather than just doing an email, because I like to try and do a lot of video broadcasts, we'll do a video. So we popped out, weather was lovely. So I've literally done that video this morning, just reaching out to people saying, let's have a half-hour chat if you're serious about getting this going, an online business. And so I got that done. I'd set up my pages yesterday, I'd done my email, and I'd done my page in Convertri, and I was literally just waiting for the video. And yesterday's weather was just shocking, so I couldn't film, because I love being outdoors filming. So this morning we've boxed that off, and so I have had that downloaded and gone out into I've thrown it into my campaign. I could be making a rod for my own back here, because it means literally every lead as they come through is at some point, if they open their emails of course, going to get that with the let's chat. So I could be making a rod for my own back, but if it gets too much, I'll just take it out the campaign and leave it and just do it as a broadcast every now and again. So we'll wait and see, because we're not that busy with the constant bombardment at the moment that we are hoping to have further down the line. So it's all good. So that's what we've done, and we shall see what happens from there. But it's weird, because they say, don't they, where energy, I always get this confusing, where focus goes, energy flows, or where energy goes, focus, what is it? Can't think. Where focus goes, energy flows. Yeah, did have it right, yeah. So anyway, we literally just got that sorted, got it into the campaign, when I got a flash up of an email. And there's this guy is coming through my campaign as it is, and he's reached out saying, I'm really, really interested. And he's written me an email, it's like an essay of all these questions he's got in his head. He's put them all into an email, and I read the whole thing, and I just said to Steve, he is a prime target of this let's chat that we've literally just put in there. So I've emailed him straight back and said, let's have a half-hour chat, because there's no way I can answer all these questions. I'd be there for hours trying to type it up for a kickoff. And I think it's better, isn't it, if you can have that one-to-one. So literally within seconds, he's come straight back to me, yes, when? So it just goes to show the power of trying to communicate and keep that relationship building with your leads is very, very important. And I've never done this with my leads. I've always concentrated on my apps and above. My leads come through, they have their campaign series, there's about 50 emails they come through that, and then they get the broadcast. Well, the broadcast started when I came back from the 10 for 10. And as part of this 90-day challenge, I was I have been doing 5 broadcasts every week, and I'm still doing that. But I just thought, well, I need that contact, that more personable contact, rather than just these emails going out to them. So we're putting that let's chat one in there. I'm hoping we'll just get that little bit more, that touchy, reach out and we're a human being, we're not a robot type thing. So that's this morning, and that seems to take me forever to explain, but there you go. It's because I'm enjoying the sunshine. And I've just done another video to go in a broadcast, literally saying, how on a Monday I can get up and do a couple of hours work, go out for a walk, been out for a walk with Steve, been down the beach, our usual haunt, and then come home and I'm filming footage for my business, sitting in my garden, which, that's not everybody's cup of tea, but it's something that I really enjoy. And so that's another broadcast that's going out to people to hopefully resonate with them that, they don't have to sit in work doing that 9-to-5 job forevermore. There is possibilities of changing things as long as they've got the drive and determination. This is turning into an advert. And I also have had 2 new scripts written, which were basically done last night. And I was going to try and film them, but it's a little tad windy. So if the wind eases down a bit, I've done some run-throughs. They sound good, but just it's this, isn't it? Just, the hassle of this. So I just need a little bit of a calmer day. And then we'll get those filmed, and then we'll get those out into the CPAs and see if we get any traction from them. No harm in keeping changing the campaigns around just to see what works and what doesn't work. And that is it. So I'm going to cut that short and go and enjoy the rest of my afternoon. I think that's my work done for today. Going to enjoy myself. All right, catch you guys soon.